Your fleet's safety record can only be as good as your team's driving performance, so it's imperative that your drivers operate at the top of their game. As a safety manager, you can't always be there to see how your team is performing, but with Motive, you can. Reviewing events captured by the Motive AI Dashcam is simple. Just log into your fleet dashboard and click the Safety tab at the left side panel. The Safety Overview tab presents a 360-degree view of your fleet's safety performance. Identify emerging safety trends, learn which unsafe behaviors are most prevalent, track top or struggling drivers, and see recent safety events. The drive score at the top of the screen shows how safely your drivers are performing overall. Through helpful red and green arrows, the Safety Overview makes it easy to track individual performance over time, so you can identify and correct risky driving patterns. To see if your driver is improving, click the Drivers tab at the top of the screen. Sort based on the drive score to see who is leading and who is lagging. The Events tab helps you understand the most immediate safety risks in your fleet. AI automatically assigns a severity level to every event, helping you prioritize and review the most important events first. Click into each event for a better understanding of what happened. Dashcam footage immediately pops up to show in HD video exactly what occurred. For greater perspective, scroll down to see the driver's speed during the event and a map of the area. In the Insights tab, see drive risk score trends, who's meeting expectations, and other vital statistics. The Motive Safety Hub gives a bird's eye view of what's happening in your fleet, so you'll know the most direct route to improve safety. At Motive, we work so you can work better.